Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Wix website to Google AdSense to earn extra income by displaying ads on your Wix website with Wix Monetize with AdSense app. First of all, we have to add Wix Monetize with ads. First of all, we have to add Wix Monetize with AdSense app in our Wix website. So go to your Wix website editor and in this left hand menu click on add apps, and then you will directly jump into Wix app market. In the search app box, search for Wix Monetize with AdSense, and this is the app we are looking for. So go ahead and install this app in your Wix website. And here, as you can see, Wix Monetize with AdSense app successfully added. Now we have to connect our Google AdSense account with this app to display ads. So select the app and just click on settings. And here click on manage ads. And then you have to click on get started and then click on connect account. And then sign into the Google account you want to use with AdSense, or you can create a new Google account to use with AdSense. Then complete Google steps to either create a new Google AdSense account or connect your existing account. And that's it. Your Wix account will be connected to Google AdSense account. And note one thing, that to connect your Wix account with Google AdSense, you have to purchase Wix premium package, and you have to also add a custom domain to your Wix website. And after that, you will be able to connect your Wix site with Google AdSense. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.